Nissan Ariya hard killer attack versus Fisker Ocean. Even though the growing number of electric vehicles is good because it breaks up monopolies and they're good for the environment as well, but it does cause a small problem, which is what's the right choice. And that's why it's hard to decide which car to buy in particular. The more options you have for something, the harder it is to choose. Each electric car is different because it has features that no other car has. And this is true when you look at the Nissan Ariya and the Fisker Ocean, two new electric cars. The model year for these cars is 2023, and we hope to see them on the road by the end of this year. So are you guys excited to see their comparison? Well, alright, let's begin. First, let's talk about the design, range, and interior. Exterior and design make both EVs formidable competitors. Both are tiny SUVs, but the Ariya has sportier styling and sharper curves than the Ocean. It's futuristic, stylish, and classy. Ariya's torque split technology lets you pick front-wheel drive or front and rear-wheel drive. Front-wheel models can reach 60 miles per hour in 7.2 seconds, while all-wheel drive can accomplish it in under 5 seconds. When buying an electric automobile, the range is essential. Buying an electric vehicle without considering the range is a mistake. Range determines a car's efficiency and practicality. It determines a car's sales. Nissan and Fiskar have optimized this function to maximize range. The Ariya's interior contrasts with its exterior. The interior is minimalist and straightforward. The front cabin is a low floor and a smooth dashboard. The back space is tight. Now, let's talk about prices. The Fisker Ocean starts at $39,000 and the most expensive variant costs $70,500. The Fisker Ocean Sport starts at $39,000 and the Ocean One, that's the one that's $70,500. The business has not yet divulged the Ocean lineup's destination cost, but based on what they've released so far, we'd recommend the $51,500 Ultra version. Aesthetics. The 2023 Fisker Ocean is accessible in both right-hand and left-hand drive. It has a long roof line that reveals the solar-powered charger, large bumpers, a tow bar, a 22-inch wheel, touch-sensitive doorway handle, and an openable back windshield. The Ocean has a magnificent small LED headlamps, and you know what? There's a small subscribe button below this video that doesn't look magnificent when it stays red, so make sure you please hit that. Now it's time to discuss design, comfort, and cargo. The Fisker Ocean's interior is basic. The cabin's recyclable materials intrigue us since they promote sustainability. The dashboard has many digital elements. The rotating touchscreen is the highlight. The base model screen isn't rotatable, by the way. The Fisker Ocean 2023 doesn't have many top-notch features because it's a cheap EV, what it would be considered. But you don't lose with this one. Each model has a digital camera-equipped rear-view mirror and lifting gear. The sports model has a panoramic sunroof, whereas other trims have a detachable panel. The Californian model and back and side glass offer an open atmosphere. The Ocean has a Harman stereo and a large touchscreen for infotainment. Sport has a better audio system. Performance, the most important factor. Let's talk about this, shall we? The Ocean Sport variant is a front-mounted electric motor, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.9 seconds with 275 horsepower. Ultra, Extreme, and One all-wheel drive cars have electric engines on each hub. With 550 horsepower, the fastest form can reach 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds. All variants use 20-inch low-rolling obstruction wheels. Available are 22-inch performance tires. Front-drive Oceans can tow 2,040 pounds, and all-wheel drive models 4,000. Fisker hasn't revealed the Ocean's battery capacity, but EPA estimates the single-engine model can drive 250 miles on a charge. Double engines can boost the range to 350 miles. Fisker has partnered with Electrify America to give Ocean owners free charging. Nissan Ariya is an EV-powered SUV featuring the newest connectivity technology. Nissan's first all-electric crossover SUV has powerful acceleration, smooth, quiet operation, and a sumptuous lounge-like interior. Autonomous driving, concierge-like support, and seamless communication boost driver and passenger confidence. With a range of 610 kilometers, the Ariya is suitable for daily commutes and road excursions. Strong road presence. Ariya's all-new EV platform delivers superb handling, keeping with Nissan's tradition of fun-to-drive automobiles. The battery pack's positioned under the vehicle's center of gravity to achieve near-equal front to rear weight distribution. Ariya's flat battery pack and integrated cross-member provide structural stability and a flat floor. Optimized suspension components for solid handling, a smooth ride, and reduced cabin vibrations and noise. The Nissan Ariya has an e-pedal, which allows the driver to launch, accelerate, and decelerate using only the accelerator pedal. E-Force is comfortable and agile. But what is E-Force? The all-wheel drive Ariya vehicles will have Nissan's E-Force technology. E-Force boosts driver confidence by tracing the planned driving line over practically any road surface without changing driving style or input. Ultra-high precision motor and brake control allow the vehicle to follow the driver's intended course on snow-covered roads. Driving becomes more pleasurable when you can handle different road surfaces. Precision control technology and dual electric motors provide the E-Force with unmatched ride comfort. Adding rear motor regenerative braking to normal EV and hybrid systems reduces vehicle pitch and drive. In addition to improving front and rear torque allocation, the system controls each wheel's brakes independently to enhance the cornering force. This enables driver intention following cornering with minimum steering. Low stress, high-tech driving. Nissan's latest driving assistance system is ProPilot 2.0. ProPilot is a hands-on technology that helps drivers stay in their lane, handle stop-and-go traffic, and maintain a fixed speed and distance to the car ahead. ProPilot 2.0 allows observant drivers to take their hands off the steering wheel in specific scenarios, decreasing their strain and stress in single-lane highway traffic. The ProPilot 2.0 allows highway lane changes, passing, and exiting. ProPilot also uses 3D map data to keep the car centered on a predefined path when driving hands-free. Map data also helps drivers navigate around blind curves by using road curvature data, minimizing driver stress. Nissan Safety Shield comprises an intelligent around view monitor, intelligent forward collision warning, intelligent emergency braking, and rear automatic emergency brake. Seamlessly connected technology. Nissan designs vehicles around the driver, making them intuitive and entertaining. This incorporates a redesigned HMI and over-the-air firmware updates. Drivers can monitor Ariya's battery status while sipping coffee at the breakfast table. Intelligent Route Planner sends a reminder when it's time to leave, keeping the day on track. The device analyzes road conditions and proposes faster routes while driving. Using the Nissan Connect app, Ariya's climate controls can be calibrated before entering the vehicle. The Nissan Ariya's doors unlock via the intelligent key. Front and rear lights and the Nissan symbol turn on automatically when the car identifies the driver. The Ariya has one of the segment's largest full-color heads-up displays, and the projected display will display the same information as the meter display without distracting the driver. Alright folks, I think that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed the video, but before we end, please let us know in the comments section below which one of these would you choose, the Nissan versus the Fisker. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button while you're at it, and make sure you check out our other videos as well. You'll definitely love them. So thank you so much for watching today, and we'll look for you in our next video. Have a great day, and peace out.